Hi guys, my name is Drakrak and this is Christmas, so Merry Christmas everybody. I love you all, I love all my viewers, I love Christmas and I love Easter, I love the Easter Bunny, I love the Tooth Fairy, I love you Santa. I know you're watching and yeah, Merry Christmas. And I am here to show you guys what I got for Christmas. Let's begin. This morning I got 2 soda cans, very small soda cans, in my sock. Yay! I haven't drink this yet because why should I? I can save it for later if I want to. I got 2 candy canes. None, I haven't eaten these yet. They are still in plastic, as you can see. You can see it? Yes, you can see it, so don't lie. And I got 2 Lego sets. A Christmas train. Yes, you never get too old for Lego, so shut the fuck up. And a gingerbread house. They're so cute, I have them right here. That's the train. And that's the house. So cute. What else I got? Headset. I needed some new ones. I still have my computer headset, my Razer Kraken, but I need these ones because don't tell my mom now, but sometimes I used to watch anime late in the dark hours, like from 12 to maybe 3 on the morning. So you know, anime, it's you get addicted to it. So I need headphones, headsets, you name it, because my old ones are worn out. They doesn't even work anymore. So I had to use this some other time. And what more I actually needed, so got a sketchbook because I'm drawing a lot, and I got Van Gogh pocket box. Van Gogh pocket box. I think it's the Van Gogh. Van Gogh. I don't know. And new pyjamas. And this one is too cute. A little Super Mario, a little Fire Mario. The funny thing is it's actually a Happy Meal toy from a McDonald's. Then I also got SD cards, 64 gigabyte. It's for my recording, you see. All I need now is a larger battery for my camera so that I can record longer per day. But it's cool for now because I don't record so much. I'm not so good with uploading videos, as you guys might have noticed. I also got a Christmas card with a little angel on it, and most important, it's the inside of it. 400 Swedish crowns. It's about 40 euro. I say euro, I used to say US dollars, but euro is more exactly number. You do the translation then from there. And now we get to more Lego. Yeah, as I said before, you never grow too old for Lego, especially Minecraft Lego. I have to build this later. Oh! What's this? More Minecraft Lego! Woo! Yeah, my wardrobe stacked with Minecraft Lego. Okay guys, we're on the last Christmas present. And let me first say, you guys might remember or might not remember me talking about my little accident with my Wii U gamepad. One of many reasons to really hate cats. Anyways, I wished for a new gamepad, and technically I got a new gamepad, but I got more than I asked for. Dun dun dun! Okay, I'll let you watch it once more time. Dun dun dun! Can I take it away now? It's really heavy. A new whole Wii U with Xenoblade Chronicles X. It's so amazing. And so let's unbox it together. Here it is. I remember this way. A few years ago I ordered my first Wii U. It was the vanilla version, the black vanilla version and stuff. Okay, now to the game and stuff. Yeah, now to the first of all, the game. Xenoblade Chronicles X. I actually wished for just Xenoblade Chronicles for the Wii, but yeah, I'm satisfied. My birthday is just in 3 months or so. Yeah. And together with this, you get a Xenoblade X book. Something you can see in the reflection, it actually says Xenoblade X. You can see it, right? Anyways, you have to believe my word of it. And you get like images of this ship. To be honest, I am so noob at this. I think it like design sketches and stuff like that. Excuse my newbie, Xenoblade fans, but I will get better. I will get better. I promise you, I will. And you also apparently get a map. It's upside down for you guys. Here's the map. I think I will have it like this and not on the wall, because I don't have really any space for it. And you get handbooks and info books, data and stuff like that. You get your cables, power cables and stuff, so that you actually can play the game. I let it be in here because I already have a Wii U, so I don't need to plug this in for the moment. Excuse me for not looking into the camera when I'm speaking all the time. So, yeah. This is the worst unboxing ever, to be honest. I know. I suck at unboxing. I suck at the recording. You have to forgive me, you guys. It's just so much. And here is the shit, guys. We start with this. It's so heavy! Okay, I don't bother to open this. But basically, this is the Wii U console inside this. But as I said, I want to unbox this because I already have one fully working. It's just the gamepad that are broken. Oh, it's so beautiful! My new Wii U gamepad. Ah, damn, it feels so good to actually have one. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just hope. Oh my god, I can sing this. And so, as I said, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year if I haven't made a video at that point. So, yeah, Merry Christmas. Don't forget to LCS, like, comment and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.